Dave with Janus Development up here in Longmont, 1820 Spruce Avenue. We got a real cute mid-century modern house. We purchased it a couple months ago. We're in the process right now. We have the outside painted. We did the roof. We've got the siding and the soffits done in this real neat beetle kill. Let's go inside. We'll take a quick peek at what's going on in there. So here we are inside. We just finished painting, texturing all the walls, took down the popcorn ceilings, retextured that. Got new can lights, new electrical box. We've done a lot of updates to the house. One of my favorite things is the fireplace, mid-century modern. It's stacked brick, which was popular back then, and it's actually in style again today. So we really like it. All we had to do was paint the brick. We've also done new molding and trim around the doors. We've got the 6-inch square, 4 inches around the doors and the windows. We've got some new windows, new sliders. And we're opening up the kitchen too, so we're gonna have brand new soft close cabinets, sink, appliances, all the bells and whistles. So if you want a sneak peek, give me a call. 303-442-0505. We'd be happy to get you in.